Welcome to the future. Who said that? Welcome to the future.
And Candy Cat and Susie Sheep and Daddy Dog and Baraka and Pedro Pony.
Wow. Who's Peppa? Who's
your favorite? Is it Pedro Pony? Are you Pedro Pony?
Come here, come here.
What did Elmo say?
Can you sing Elmo's song? What? Ah, Elmo's World. Oh, come on, Elmo's World. Come here. Come on. Come on. Can you name Peppa's friends? Come here. Come here. Beside Mommy. Come here.
Hi, welcome to Elmo's World.
Welcome.
I can do
What happened?
and so was Goldie. Say hello, Goldie.
Is that Goldie?
Hey, what did Mr. Noodles do?
No,
Did Mr. Noodles dance?
No.
Oh, come on, come on. Can you name Peppa's friends? Kian? Come here. Kian. Come here. Can you name Peppa's friends? Who's that?
No.
Candy. What's that? Come here.
No, I didn't. Susie the sheep.
No.
It's not Susie the sheep, Daddy.
Candy the cat.
It's not Candy the cat. It's Candy Cat. What's that, Kian?
Or
Candy
Pedro
cat.
Pony.